Welcome you all in your favorite YouTube channel Primary के Punk. Good morning you all. I am Tarkeshwar Pandey. Today I am going to teach a very special topic of your EVS chapter 5. The name of the chapter is Anita and the Honeybees. And today's topic is From School to Beekeeping. Today's topic is From School to Beekeeping. Under this heading, we will know the story of Anita, that how did she start to keep honeybees. But before starting this, I want to say something about RTE. The full form of RTE is Right to Education. The full form of RTE is Right to Education. RTE Act was passed in 2009. RTE Act provides the right of free and compulsory education to each child aged 6 to 14 years. Some of you also study under the RTE Act. If your admission comes under RTE Act, then you do not have to pay any school fee. Okay. Now I am going to start the story of Anita. There are many lychee trees in Anita's area because she was from Bochaha village in Muzaffarpur in Bihar. Muzaffarpur is famous for its lychee. Honeybees are attracted to the lychee flowers. Many people do beekeeping and they collect honey. Anita thought that she could also do this. She joined a course run by the government to learn about this. She was the only girl in this course. During her training, she found that honeybees lay their eggs from October to December. This was the best time to start beekeeping. Now I want to ask a question. Which time is the best for beekeeping? Very good, October to December. Anita completed her beekeeping course, but she did not have money to keep her own bees and start work. She continued to teach, and with the time she could collect rupees 5,000. With this money, she bought 2 boxes for keeping bees. Each box costs rupees 2,000. With the remaining money, she bought sugar to make the syrup for honeybees and medicines to clean the beehives. That was in September. By December, she had so many bees that she had to buy 2 more boxes. She was still learning about beekeeping. Many times, the bees would sting her and her hands and face would get swollen. It would pain a lot. But how could she complain to anybody? Because she herself had decided to do this work. What do your parents put on the part of the body where the bee has stung? Do they rub onion or Colgate? The lychee trees come to flower in February. Anita puts all her 4 boxes near the lychee orchards. She got 12 kilograms of honey from each box. She sold this honey in the market. This was her first earning from her bees. Now she has 20 boxes. Can you find how much honey will she get in these 20 boxes? Okay. Now she will get 20 multiply 12 is equal to 240 kilograms of honey. Every day Anita cycles to her college. Her college is in the town, 5 kilometers away. When she goes to college, her mother prepares the syrup for the bees. Her father looks after the bees and takes the honey out of the boxes. Like you know a lot about Anita. Anita is known by everyone in all the villages nearby. She goes to all the village meetings and talks about how important it is for everyone to study. Sometimes people make fun for her, but Anita knows what she wants to do. She does exactly what she wants to. Anita wants to become a wholesaler so that she can help the villagers to get the right price for their honey. Do you know about wholesaler? Wholesalers are big shopkeepers who buy and sell things in large quantity. They sell to the small shopkeepers. Every beehive has one queen bee that lays eggs. There are only a few males in the hive. Most of the bees in the hive are worker bees. These bees work all day. They make the hive and also look after the baby bees. They fly around flowers in search of nectar. They collect nectar from flowers for honey. Do you know about nectar? Nectar is sweet juice of flowers. Once again, I want to repeat. Nectar is the sweet juice of flowers. When one bee finds flowers with nectar, it does a special kind of dance, by which the other bees can know where the nectar is. The worker bees are very important for the hive. Without worker bees, there would be neither hive nor any nectar collection. All bees in the hive would go hungry. The male bees have no special role as workers. Do you know what is the name of a group of honeybees? Very good. A group of honeybees is called swarm. Ants live and work together like honeybees. The queen ant lays the eggs. The soldier ants look after and guard the ants' nest. Worker ants are always busy looking for food and bringing it to the nest. Termites and wasps also live like this. Nowadays, beekeeping is popular as a business. People are earning by this. Beekeeping is known as apiculture. Once again, I want to repeat this very important thing. Beekeeping is known as apiculture. Beekeeping is mainly done for honey, but its hive is also used to prepare wax, and wax is used to make candles. I think you have known this very well. Now I want to know some simple answers of these simple questions for the revision of this chapter. Are you ready? If you give the correct answer of all questions, then you are excellent student. If you cannot give correct answer of only 2 questions, then you are very good student. If you cannot give correct answer of more than 2 questions, then once again watch this video carefully. Okay, now I want to ask some questions one by one. Number 1. What is the full form of RTE? Once again, what is the full form of RTE? Number 2. What is the name of Anita's village? Once again, what is the name of Anita's village? Number 3. For which fruits Anita's village famous? Once again, for which fruits Anita's village famous? Question number 4. Which is the best month to start beekeeping? Once again, which is the best month to start beekeeping? Now question number 5. How much money had Anita to start beekeeping? Once again, I want to repeat this question. How much money had Anita to start beekeeping? Now question number 6. When do lychee flowers come? Once again, when do lychee flowers come? Question number 7. What is the name for a group of honeybees? Once again, what is the name for a group of honeybees? Now question number 8. What do you call to beekeeping? Once again, what do you call to beekeeping? Now question number 9. Which two insects live like honeybees? Once again, I want to repeat this question. Which two insects live like honeybees? Now question number 10. This is the last question for you. Which two products we obtain from honeybees? Once again, I want to repeat this beautiful question. Which two products we obtain from honeybees? Once again, I want to repeat the rules on which you have to evaluate yourself. Okay? If you give the correct answer of all questions, then you are excellent student. If you cannot give correct answer of only 2 questions, then you are a very good student. But if you cannot give correct answer of more than 2 questions, then once again, watch this video carefully and then answer the all questions. Are you clear? Very good. That's all for today. Now this is the time to stop this video. We will meet shortly in the next video. So for that time, I want to wish you all have a great day. Goodbye. If you are first time viewer of this channel, then subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon for more updates about this channel.